Alrajhi, open new account online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can open up new account online on Alrajhi, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to open up a new bank account on Alrajhi Bank, go to alrajhibank.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Now right here you can see a couple of details, but we just want to create a new account. So underneath this you can see account, cards, finance and insurance. I want you to simply go to the account option. Now once you go to the account option, you will see all this information again. Over here you can say classic with classic metal card, affluent account, diamond affluent account, depending on what kind of accounts that you want, independent account, current account, savings account, and what is it that you prefer. You can simply go ahead and then click on the apply now option here. So just go ahead and click on apply now if you already have it. Now what you want to do is simply select classic or whatever else it is. I will select classic for example, and you will need to have a legal document details. If you don't have that, you can't create your bank account online, so make sure that you have those details. And once you've done that, your account will get successfully created on Alrajhi. This way you can open Alrajhi account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.